here we have the photographers. This is a whole tribe in their natural environment preparing for sunset. So guys, we've come out here. It looks like the sun is going to set over there, as you can see. And what you probably can't see is there's a little house. I wonder if I can brighten the exposure down here a bit and just, I don't think I can. No, we can't see it. But just behind me, there's a couple of little white houses and there's a little palm tree going on over there. And the sun's going to sort of set in behind it. And it's looking really exciting. So we got down here early. We got our apps out. We made sure where the sun's going to be, how it's going to line up, what we can do with it. We've got a bit of interesting cloud going on in the sky. I'm hoping that will last. We've also got a little bit of cloud here. We're hoping that doesn't cover the sunset. I will post some pictures in Click and Snap Gallery tomorrow, or as soon as I get the chance to upload this video, and we've got some pictures to show you. There's already some there. There's a link below this video if you want to go and see some of what I've been up to. Hopefully I'll be able to share some more of the guys' pictures. There's a really nice one of us all shooting some sunset on Famara Beach the other night. But yeah, it's all about research and coming out and having a look. There is the little palm tree I was just talking about behind my rather grubby fingernail. And it's also about moving around, you know. We're just by the side of the road here. It is a good spot. Forgive the wobbly shot. Yes, I do have a stabilizer. However, if I use the stabilizer, I can't reverse the camera whilst I'm filming, because all you get is a shot of the back of the stabilizer. But you see, you can move the sun around. If I just change the camera around, here we go, look. So the sun is just sitting above those volcanoes, and I think you can just see down in here somewhere, where is it, there just above my fingernail, there's a little white house and a little palm tree. It looks absolutely amazing. And as we move down the road further, just by moving, we can realign the sun, we can position the sun somewhere else. Now I'm not going to have time to edit this, I'm hoping I can do this in real time, but as I move, we can move the sun so we can see more of the house. From here we've got, that's much better. I don't know if you can see it guys, but the little house is just kind of below the peak to your left. So this is really exciting. We've been having a fantastic time out here. We've absolutely been rocking it. The weather has been fantastic for us. We've got a great group of people and they're all having a really good time. Let's see if I can maybe introduce you to a couple as we're waiting for the sun to go down. And it is really important, you know, if you want to shoot this sort of stuff, you do need to make sure you get out and do your research. Get there early, wait, be patient. We found our two shots. We've got a palm tree all on its own, sitting off to the side, that one just, where's my finger, there. And then we've got our, sorry about that, and we've got the other little palm tree over here with the little house. So, Joe.
Hello.
Hello, mate. How you doing?
Oh, terrible.
You're having an awful time, aren't you?
Horrendous.
I know.
It's cold, it's wet.
Miserable.
Miserable.
Bloody awful
Bloody
teacher.
awful teacher.
I know.
Can I stop reading the script now?
Yeah, okay. Yeah, I'll give you a fiver in a minute. Yeah, it's really good. We've got Cyril here. Hello, Cyril.
Hello, hello.
Yeah, Cyril come all the way from...
Well, England, but originally South Africa.
No shit, really? I've never guessed. It's your accent, mate. Yeah.
And burnt in a very English way.
Yeah,
Yes.
absolutely. We've been having a pretty good time, really, haven't we?
Absolutely, yes. It's been brilliant.
The weather has been good to us.
It has, yes. A little bit of rain, but yeah, that made for some good shots.
It
as
did.
well. Yeah, absolutely.
We had some amazing clouds and stuff. Go and have a look at the link below. There's a few shots in there already. But yesterday we really did have some good clouds, and I'll get some more pictures into that album as soon as possible.
Excellent.
Thanks, Cyril. I'll come and join you guys in a minute. Move on. Let me introduce you briefly to Patrick.
Yes.
Hello, Patrick.
How are you?
How are you doing?
It's okay, yes. Very
Good.
nice day today.
Yeah.
We have made a lot of nice images. Yes.
We've just spent a couple of hours while the sun was high
Yeah,
and the light not so good. We've just been going through everyone's pictures, doing a show and tell.
Yeah.
It's really interesting, isn't it? How,
Of course, you have to come, guys.
but it's interesting seeing what everyone cooks with exactly the same ingredients, isn't it? How everyone
We
sees
have
things
tried
differently.
different, approach, yeah.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. It's just. Hello. We've got an Icelander with us in the sun,
Yeah,
slowly turning red.
yeah, a little bit, yeah. But it's balmy.
Yeah,
It's
it
quite,
is.
It's quite hot.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. So this is igloo.
Yeah.
Did I say that right?
Igloo.
Igloo. Igloo. Yeah. And Igloo's got a unique vision. Some of the things you've seen, like shadows and shapes on the ground, you know, in very much contrast, while some people are staring at the sunrise, you've sort of noticed some really obscure things that have made some great pictures.
Oh, we are obscure Icelanders here.
Icelanders are obscure. I work with one.
I know.
Yeah. If you're watching, Thor, that's you. No, thanks, Igloo. Just going to briefly introduce you to these two guys.
Hello.
We have Adrian from Switzerland.
Hi.
And we have
Martin.
who's come from Prague. So yeah, we've got a real international group going on here.
Yeah.
And just now the muses were not upon you, were they? We were down by a little house there and you were just sort of saying, I can't see it, I haven't got a shot here.
Yeah, but then I walked around a bit, ran down somewhere, and then I got a good shot.
Yeah, it's interesting, isn't it? Because it comes to all of us.
Yeah.
You know, I was working with Simon in Vietnam somewhere and I'm like, wow, look at this. And Simon's sort of, I don't get it, you do it then. It comes to us all. But yeah, you're right, have a walk around. Sometimes we find things. Awesome. So, forgive me, Martin, I'm just going to show the guys. See, the sun's getting lower behind those volcanoes. It's all looking pretty good. So please, have a look at the link below this video. There's a little album of pictures, mostly mine. Hopefully I'll be adding some of the guys' pictures to it over time. I'll see you later. Just wanted to give you a little update. Take care, guys. Bye now.